Hey sweeties, this is Techniks. So today I am doing a collaboration with a company called Read Your Heart. Now they sent me this beautiful ring, which though I chose. Now this company carries earrings, bracelets, and also necklaces. And the prices are the best. Now I'm going to go ahead and hold this up. Look at this gorgeous ring. Now the ring is a round shape and the width is 2.5 millimeters. Now the name of this ring is the Vintage Scroll and Milgrain Round Moissanite Engagement Ring. Now you can get this for $183. Well, the original price was $183.25, and you now can get it for $109.95. Now it comes in 1, 2, and 3 carat. I did get it in a 3 carat, and the sizes that I got is 6.5. Now the sizes here ranges from 4.5 all the way to a size 10, and this is in sterling silver. So it also comes with a box. It was well packaged. It comes with a bag, and it also comes with a pamphlet to tell you guys, give you more information about the ring. And it comes with a wipe where you can wipe your ring off. Very gorgeous. I love the bling. And I want to thank Read Your Heart for sending me this item. Thank you so very much. I hopefully will be able to collab again because I need a ring from work that I don't have to worry about if I'm gonna break the stones or not. So this would be great for someone who, someone who's young and they're just getting married and they can't afford like a $5,000 or $4,000 ring. And this would be great for you. So, and also you can always later on in life in your anniversary get you a better ring then. But for now, this is a gorgeous ring. So I want to thank Read Your Heart for sending me this item. So let's go ahead and get started with my Loc Journey. All right, sweetie, so where do I start? So I went to another loctician and I told her I just wanted to get the feel of, being in a shampoo bowl, getting my hair washed 2 or 3 times and just relaxing. So I wanted to get the feel of the whole salon process. And so she washed my hair, set me down. She looked at my hair and my hair was just so like tangled and frizz. We all know that we're going to get frizz, especially when you have locks. So she sat there and she looked and, she looked and raised my twist up. I didn't want to call them locks because they hadn't been locked as of yet. At least I thought they were. And so she said to me, I hate to say this. And I said, what? And she was like, I would like to, for you to take your hair down so I can give you braid locks. What did I do? I turned around and looked at her and I said, excuse me? Take them down. I'm like, but I thought that if the locks, the root is locked and you can't take them down. And she was like, yes. She said it's only been about a month and a half. And so, yeah, you can actually take it down. And I'm like, well, you show me how. So she went over to one of the braids and she showed me how. And I was like, that easy. And she was like, so what I did was, and I still was thinking like, you want me to take this down after my hair was looking like having one of those odd moments. And I was thinking to myself, no way. So long story short, I finally agreed to take it out. And so November the 3rd, I went back to her and it was a Sunday. And she normally don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. And her name is Britt. Let me keep reference, her name is Britt. So Britt said, come back on a Sunday and I will do it for you. Because she knew at this point, I was like, what I'm going to do with my hair. It did take me 2 days to get it out. However, it was easy. I used some Aussie conditioner and it took me 2 days because I think I came home that night and did it and then tried to put it up and my hair was a hot mess. So came back, I told her I had already deep conditioned it and washed it, because I knew it was going to take us a while. So I had a hard time saying, to her, no, I don't want it braid. But eventually I gave in and I went ahead and got my hair braided. And she did a great job. She really did. It was gorgeous. She braided at the top, as you guys can see. And then what she did was she put mousse at the end, and it was a process, because at this point I'm asking her, what are you going to do? I mean, I really gave her a hard time, and I felt so bad that I gave her a hard time, because I didn't know what she was going to do, and I was already skeptical at this point, because the first loctician, and I'm not down in the first loctician, I just wanted the feel of the salon, because she was not in a salon. And so she said that she told me that the way she put my locks in, it was going to be big in the back, and then it was going to be a different size in the middle and in the front. But I'm jumping all over the place. Let's go ahead and take a look. So what she did was she braided it down, and then she left it loose, okay? But my hair curled in the end and the back. It was gorgeous. I'm going to put some pictures here. I'm going to put several pictures here so you guys can see. But it's gorgeous. I like it. I like that it's plaited. Plaited. Back in the day they say plait. But it's braided. And then she left it loose. And it was so many curls. So many curls. It's really cute. It's in a C-shaped part. I'm going to go ahead and turn around so you guys can see. I have a bobby pin here on the side. And look at that. Very pretty. I love the fact that it's curls and it's elongated than it was when I had it twisted. That's another thing that I like about it. So for those of you who's wondering what is a braid lock, here you are. This is braided, and then what I did was, as I'm always in my head, I just went ahead, because there was some frizzy pieces, and I just went ahead and twist the ones that she didn't twist it. Because it's different when you go to a salon and they make your hair just gorgeous and you try to replicate that and it doesn't come out the same. But lo and behold, what I'm going to do is, she's in the Dallas Metroplex. Actually, she's in Duncanville, Dallas, Arlington, so you still would be close in that area. I'm going to leave her information down in the description box. She's great. And at the point when I was there, she had a sale going on. So if your hair is the same texture, I have 4A, 4B, 4C. 4A is in the back, 4C is in the middle, and then 4B is at the top. So if you're wondering, and she didn't lock it in the root, because at this point she had already braided and it was already tight. So if she would have interlocked it, then it would have been even tighter. So when I go back within a month, she told me not to wash it. If I want to, I can run some water through it or get some dry shampoo. I could do that, and but it is gorgeous. I love the bounce, and I think with the gray, it just blends right in. It is gorgeous, you guys. So if you have the same hair texture as I do, then what you can do is get it braided and then have her twist it and put some mousse. And she has this whole process that she does, and I love her process. So I'm going to say thank you, Britt. I really do appreciate it. I will be back on, I think I scheduled another appointment with her. This is December, I think the 6th, because I have a Christmas party on the 7th. So I will, in between time, show you guys pictures. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.